Okay, so during my door damping and speaker upgrade process, I came across, of course, something that every E53 X5 owner who pulls their door panel is going to come across. These mounting points for the push pins, they'll come off. That one completely came off up there, and I think one of these other ones came off. But this is very common with BMWs made from, say, the E36 and the E56 and E39 were notorious for it. So probably anything from the 90s and the 2000s. I'm not sure about the E90s and E60s, but the way these work is whoever built these door skins or door panels for BMW adhered these plastic mounts for the push pins to the door using I'm not sure what type of adhesive this is. It feels almost like epoxy, but after time, especially here in South Texas sun, it just degrades over time, and when you go to pull your panel off, it pops off. So this top panel up here is notorious for it. It runs all the way across. So right now I have that clamped. Only this front part came off. The rest of this was still on there pretty well. So while repairing that, the best practice is, as preventative maintenance, to go ahead and use some adhesive on all the ones that haven't moved at all. And just run a bead all the way around and inside as much as you can. And just do all of them. It's good preventative maintenance. It'll keep it from being a problem the next time you have to take a door panel off. And trust me, you will have to take it off, either for a door handle carrier or for a window regulator. So this is the one that came off, and you can see it's holding on there pretty well. It's been cured now for I guess about 8 hours since I adhered it. I just added a little bit more. I use silicone gasket maker for it. This stuff works really well. It handles heat perfectly. Obviously, it's made for gaskets, so handles the heat. And after I repair a panel, I never have to go back and re-repair it. But anyway, that's just a little tip for when you're having to pull these door panels off, because eventually one of these little mounts will pop off. So I figured I'd just document that real quick while I was doing the other things. Hope it helps someone out.